Are you tired of rushing home from work only to find that you have nothing healthy to eat? Do you find yourself grabbing fast food or unhealthy snacks because you're too busy to cook? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with meal prepping, but with a little planning and preparation, it can be a game changer for your health and well-being. In this comprehensive guide, I'll show you how to meal prep like a pro. I'll cover everything from planning and shopping to cooking, storing, and reheating your meals. With a little effort, you can have delicious and nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. Planning and preparation. Setting goals. Before you start meal prepping, it's important to set some goals. What are you hoping to achieve by meal prepping? Are you trying to eat healthier, save money, or reduce stress? Once you know your goals, you can tailor your meal prep plan accordingly. Choosing recipes. When selecting recipes, consider your dietary preferences, allergies, and intolerances. Look for recipes that are easy to prepare and can be made in bulk. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuisines and flavors. Creating a meal plan. A meal plan will help you stay organized and ensure that you have a variety of meals throughout the week. Consider your schedule and lifestyle when creating your meal plan. For example, if you have a busy work week, you may want to prepare meals that are easy to reheat. Making a grocery list. Once you have your meal plan, create a grocery list of all the ingredients you'll need. Be sure to check your pantry and refrigerator before making your list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Shopping tips. When shopping for your ingredients, look for high-quality, fresh produce. Consider buying in bulk to save money and reduce food waste. Don't forget to stock up on pantry staples, such as grains, beans, and canned goods. Cooking and storing. Batch cooking techniques. Batch cooking is a great way to save time and effort. Cook large quantities of ingredients, such as rice, quinoa, or roasted vegetables, and store them in the refrigerator or freezer. Meal prep essentials. Having the right tools and equipment can make meal prepping much easier. Invest in a good quality food processor, blender, and slow cooker. You'll also need airtight containers for storing your meals. Storing your meals. Proper storage is essential for preserving the freshness and quality of your meals. Store your meals in airtight containers and label them with the date and contents. Store cooked meats and vegetables in the refrigerator within 2 hours of cooking. For longer-term storage, you can freeze your meals and reheat them as needed. Meal prep ideas. Breakfast ideas. Overnight oats. Smoothies. Greek yogurt parfaits. Hard-boiled eggs. Avocado toast. Lunch ideas. Salads. Sandwiches. Leftovers. Soup. Wraps. Dinner ideas. Roasted chicken and vegetables. Stir fries. Pasta dishes. Chili. Curry. Snack ideas. Cut up fruits and vegetables. Nuts and seeds. Hard-boiled eggs. Greek yogurt. Hummus and pita bread. Part 4. Tips and tricks. Overcoming challenges. Lack of time. Set aside a specific time each week for meal prepping. Find a meal prep buddy or join a meal prep challenge. Limited cooking skills. Start with simple recipes and gradually increase the complexity. Create a meal plan and grocery list in advance. Prepare large quantities of ingredients to save time. Get creative with leftovers. Use leftovers in soups, salads, or sandwiches. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes and ingredients to keep your meals interesting. Involve the whole family. Get your family involved in the meal prep process. Meal prepping can be a great way to improve your health, save money, and reduce stress. By following the tips and tricks in this guide, you can create a meal prep plan that works for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start meal prepping today.